In this video, I'm gonna show you one of the problem I am having now in my WordPress website. The problem is in site title, the page name is showing there. If I change my home page, then the page name is showing here. So let's jump into the page and fix it. As you can see in my website, this title is showing twice, but the description is not coming. I'm going to go into my settings and general, and here you can see that site title is anti-team and the tagline is here, but still it's not showing here. So that is the problem. So let's fix it. So here is my front page, and I'm going to make the quick edit here. Here in the title, I would like to replace with the site name, and here I will write site and update. Let's refresh the page, and here you can see the site name and the tagline, the description is